Hello! Why can't I just say hi and be normal? Like, it's like I just need to be like, ugh, hey, how's it going? I just, like, why, it's just hard for me to say, hi guys. That sound like, ugh. No. Hey, hi, how are ya? Whatever, y'all know the drill. I wanted to do a look today that was more fall based. Obviously, it is not meant just for fall. It can be for spring, it can be for summer, it can be for winter. You can wear this whenever the hell you want. And we're just gonna get straight on with that tutorial. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in. We're gonna get close. Let's get close. Bit closer, bit closer. Have you guys seen Old Greg? I'm Old Greg. If you haven't seen Old Greg, go on YouTube and Google Old Greg. Fuzzy little man peach. Okay. So since I have my foundation on and the shadows I'm working with have a lot of fallout, I'm just dabbing some loose powder. This is a RCMA no color powder. I'm going to take a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm going to be using these two shades right here. This is from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and they are a little bit more mauve tone. We don't want to go with anything too pink in the crease because we want the attention to be drawn to our lid. So we're going to go in with this light shade. I'm sorry guys, I don't have the names, but it's just like a light mauve. And we're just going to go focus that right in our crease. And I'm going to take this up halfway to my brow bone because I'm going to meet that with a lighter shade. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this deeper shade right here. And this is the one that we're gonna focus pretty much in the crease. This is where you're gonna add depth. I don't need a whole lot of depth because my eyes are already deep set. But if you have hooded eyes or maybe not a whole lot of lid, this is where you can kind of create a lift in your eyes. You can create a crease. If you want to create a lift in your eyes, just take it up a little bit right here. This is just my Tarteist Pro palette. I'm just going in with these two light shades here just to add a little highlight. I don't want to do a whole lot of shimmer right now. I already did my face highlight and I kind of go in and add shimmer there, and then I just want a little pop at the end. So this is going to kind of buff those two together so it's all seamless going up to your brow. Does that make sense? Any burgundy tone that you have, this is a Stila one. Pigalle, 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 Pigalle. I don't know. It looks like this. And I'm going to take something a little bit more stiff together, pointed. Still has some movement though. This is a very soft shade. Again, I do this more for bridal and bridesmaids looks, so you don't want anything that's going to be too crazy on their eye, just to kind of accentuate. And I always take a little bit up into that crease, and then from there, if you want to go back in and blend a little bit, you go back in and blend. So let me show you these Cozzette eyeshadows I'm going to go in on the lid with. And a little bit of these goes a long way. Like this pretty much eliminates any use of glitter that I would ever need. So this is in the color Platinum. I'm sorry, what? And it goes on like that in a brush. And this is dry, guys. This is not even wet. There's these little reflex in that almost act like glitter. I'm gonna go in, this is Platinum. I have 3 right now and I wanna get more. This is a gold shade, this is called Bliss. And then I'm going to go in with Quest. This is a pink shade. I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to go in with Quest. And I like to start off with the shadows dry, and if I want to add more I can go in with a wet brush, right? Take it and start building it on the center. And if you guys struggle with shimmer, try going down, taking your lid and the flat shader and going down. Do you see what kind of difference that made? Just a little primer water or something, rose water, whatever kind of water you got, put it on there. Look at that. See how that took it from shimmer to metallic? Now I'm going to take the shade Platinum and I'm going to focus it on the inner corner, inner third of your lid. Go back in with that burgundy shade, and this is where if you want to make it darker, you can go back in and add some more depth and redefine certain areas, whatever you feel like you need. This is just an Eco Tools brush, nothing fancy. I just start from the outer corner and just kind of carry it into almost my inner corner. So I'm going to take that darker mauve shade and just kind of buff it right at that line where the dark shadow stopped. And then that's when you're going to create that, the unity. I don't know. And it's okay to be a little messy because this color is not super dark. And then I'll go with the light shade and buff that out. That pink shimmer shadow again, and just punch a little bit on this inner lower lash line. And we're going to wipe away our mistakes. But I'm gonna put some eyeliner on, and then I'm gonna come back to you. Eyeliner and mascara. Which, by the way, my favorite mascara is the Balm Mad Lash. It's just like, it just gets all up in the right places, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, so as far as lips go, this is the Sephora lip cream. This is the shade Marvelous Mauve. I love these lip creams because it just works really well. It's not going to make your lips look dry and crackly. It's not going to give you that, what are they, butthole lips right there. It's not going to do that. It just fades naturally. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you try it out and let me know how it all worked out. I want to see pictures. So as always, be nice to people because it's not that hard, and I hope you guys have a great day. And I can't believe that I actually have to say this, but any negative comments that are posted on any of my videos or on my channel, I will automatically delete and block you. That's not the type of page that I want to create. But honestly, there are so many other people on YouTube, so if you don't like my vibe, or you don't like my personality, or you don't like how I do makeup, just keep on keeping on. It's all gonna be okay. Bye!